Okay, so today we're going to find out how one section of our reading connects to the next session. So we're going to be looking at the subheading phonograph and trying to connect what happens next and how it relates to the next section, the gramophone. Okay, so let me do an example. So if I read about the phonograph, I can see how in paragraph 4 how it was made. So the phonograph was made with the early machine recorded sounds with a needle onto a cylinder covered foil. So that shows me how the phonograph was made. And if I keep reading, it says that he was proud of it. You had to turn a crank. And then if we read, so far I know it was recorded on a cylinder covered in foil. You had to turn a crank, and then you're gonna keep reading to find out what else they did for the phonograph. Okay, you're gonna annotate all the things about how a phonograph worked. And then you're going to connect it to the next subheading, which is a gramophone. So earlier in paragraph 4, we noticed that the phonograph was made with a cylinder covered in foil. And that connects to the gramophone because it says instead of cylinders, so they made a progression, instead of cylinders, he used flat discs to record sound. So you see how they improved on the phonograph when they moved on to the gramophone. So what you're going to do is you're going to annotate under phonograph all the ways it worked and ways it didn't work. And then you're going to connect it to the gramophone and what they did to the gramophone to improve on the phonograph. And you're going to annotate and write notes. Okay? Remember, look for connections. How did they go? What happened with the phonograph? How was it built? And then how they improved it when they made the gramophone. Good luck.